All right, guys, I'm going to give you a quick instructional video about the project. Even though we went over it last week, since I'm not here, you'll have the chance to see exactly what to do. So the first steps are drawing the 6 vertical lines. I've drawn 1 here to show you. All right, you'll have to do 6. They can go anywhere. And then I have my equation, x equals 2 at the top. Then you draw 6 horizontal lines. I've drawn 3 up top that you can see. Then you're going to label each of them. I have it up here, y equals 9. Then this one would be y equals 6, y equals 3, so on and so forth. Then you have to put those equations on the equation sheet. The next one's the one that I want to show you the most because that's where people have the toughest questions. We have to draw 3 parallel. So I'm going to choose anywhere to start. So I'm going to go right here, which is at positive 2. I'm going to choose the slope of, let's say, 3/4 for my slope because I can't use 1/1. So if I'm starting here and I go up 3 and right 4, plot my point, up 3 more, right 4. I have to go the opposite way too. So right about there, down 3, left 4. All right, then I'm going to draw my line, which yours is going to be a lot straighter than mine because you can use rulers. All right, but that's what it looks like. Then over here, I'm going to write my equation of the line. Y equals, my slope is 3/4, so 3/4x. My y-intercept where I started was positive 2, so it would be plus 2. Just try and keep it off the graph. Mine is not off the graph. But try and keep yours, make sure that it's in the actual margin. So y equals 3/4x plus 2. Then I'm going to make another line with the same slope because it's parallel. So if I start down here, I'm going to use the same slope of 3/4. So I up 3, right 4, up 3, right 4. Draw my line. You're going to draw it all the way through. Then again, write your equation of the line. So y equals 3/4x. This one's y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -6. And then you draw a third one. Now I need to do 3 lines that are perpendicular to these ones. So if my slope of my parallel lines was 3/4, my perpendicular slope is going to be -4/3. I flip the fraction. Oh, sorry, I'm realizing that you can't see where I'm writing over the board. All right, so here's my perpendicular slope. I flip my fraction to 4/3. It was a positive for my parallel line, so it's going to be a negative. So now, let me move this again. Now when you draw your lines, again, pick anywhere to start. So if I start right here, my y-intercept is going to be -2 there. My perpendicular slope is down 4, so -4/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right 3. Down 4, right 3. Then go the opposite way. Up 4, left 3. Draw your line all the way through. And you should have more points than this. I'm just doing a quick version. And then you're going to need to write the equation of that line too, which would be y equals -4/3x. And since my y-intercept started at -2, it's -2. Then I pick another point on the y-axis. Do the same thing. Plot my first point. Then use my perpendicular slope of down 4 to the right 3. Down 4, right 3. And draw my lines. Yours is going to be a lot neater than mine, all right, because you are using rulers and everything. So all in all, you're going to have 6 vertical lines, 6 horizontal lines, and then 3 lines that are parallel to each other, and 3 lines that are perpendicular to those parallel lines. All right, once you're done, you can look at my example. You shade in all of the little tiny polygons that you made. All right, hopefully that helps you a little bit.